pinakauna kong sasabihin is, huwag mo ibigay sa ibang tao yung login details ng Twitter account mo. Para walang ibang may access. And then, secret. And then, no, just kidding. The joke, all joking aside, actually, I would, if that 13-year-old boy was in front of me right now, ano sasabihin mo sa... grabe yung question na yun. Ano yung question na yun, actually? Padayon lang. Di ka dapat muwad anong paglaong. Daghang mga tao na nituo sa imuha, daghang mga tao na kailas sa imuha, o daghang mga tao na mahal mo.
Ano yan?
Pagpatuloy mo lang at huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa kasi maraming mga taong naniniwala sa'yo, maraming mga taong sumusuporta sa'yo, at maraming mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Which I feel like we can all say to our, not just to our younger selves, but to us now as well. Especially during the gloomy and rainy days.
Thank you for the message. Siguro second question mo na lang since nasa social media ka rin naman. And pag may nililibis ka, talagang nag-viral. Anong feeling na yung mga songs mo, especially yung mga recent, diba? Ginagamit for social media posts?
It's kind of surreal actually. Ang ganda sa feeling kasi, alam mo yun, the whole concept of being in the showbiz industry, it's not just a one-man kind of thing. It's a, may word ba na populational? Okay, di gawin natin word, di ba? Populational. Wow! We need to say like, andun yung aspect of people, everybody else. That's outside of what you do.
Social.
Kasi, release ka ng song pag wala namang makikinig, wala rin mapupuntahan yun. And that's the biggest aspect of success actually, is really how everyone else is able to relate to the things that you create. And it feels amazing as an artist to be put in that kind of situation na pag gumawa ako ng kanta tapos nirelease yung kanta yung mga tao na gustuhan, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. And more than that, it's really the whole idea as well of hindi na magustuhan eh. Kasi madali lang yung magustuhan o hindi magustuhan. Pero yung buong concept ng pag nakikita ko online, for example, song na hindi masyado na-pick up online, for example. Tapos nung nakita ko comment, alam mo, JK, sa YouTube especially, ano JK? Itong song na to, ito yung kaakibat ko sa lahat ng mga moments na mabigat yung pinagdaanan ko. Tangina, sarap mo rin. Iba yun. Because me as a music listener as well, that's what I do. That's what I use. Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, music lang din yung andun lagi. That one constant thing that nakakatulong sa atin. And ang sarap sa feeling na. Now, when somebody is able to relate to something that you made, iba yun. Iba yun. Kahit isa lang na tao magsabi na, okay na ako. So, yun yun. Feeling ko. It's really the people out there that, everybody says this, everybody says all of these things I'm saying now. But genuinely, it's really the people. It's really the listeners. It's really all those people who use these songs that I make in put it in their lives. That's what gets, and that's what has gotten me to where I am.
Maraming salamat, Nurse. Last 3 questions tayo before we proceed to the TV interviews.
Last 2. Last 3?
Last 3, kasi si Belle ng Universal may question.
Ay, sige po.
Miss Belle,
Ako-
I want to acknowledge the Universal